Hello, Facebook family. How y'all doing? Brandy's teasing me. She goes, that turkey breast got a neck in it? No, I don't think so. Anyway, we are cooking up a turkey breast. We're going to get the lighting in our house right one day. Oh, you move far. She's fine. Don't worry about the baby. Turn the TV off. Anyway, we're going to cook this on the pelletized cooker outside. That pellet barbecue pit thing that you plug in the wall.
It's a pellet cooker.
I'm not used to that. We got so many barbecue pits around here, I don't know what to use. I use the easiest one to use. Anyway, I'm using, it ain't a paid commercial, but I'm using this Tony's Satcheries on my turkey. I like to spice it up a little bit. But I'm going to put it on here, rub it down, and I'm going to smoke it for about an hour and a half. But nothing else on it. Then I'll come back after that and wrap it in aluminum foil and put some more seasonings over it, and we'll cook it a little while longer. But I'm headed to the pit now. So I'll see y'all in a little while. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm back. The turkey breast has been on the pit for about almost an hour and a half, so I'm going to go remove the turkey breast, bring it in, wrap it up, a little more seasoning, and then put it back on the pit. So I will be right back. Smell that thing. It's got a nice smoky flavor smelling. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up now. Put some seasoning, maybe a little beer on it. But it is juicy. Pour that juice back on it. I'm going to put some more Tony's Satcheries on it. We're going to have us a Cajun tasting turkey. He's not cooperating, but I get it. Yeah, what, Penny? A little soy sauce won't hurt either. How about some Bud Light? Of course, I get the first taste. That'll work. Don't want to get the breast drunk, so better stop. I'm gonna pack some butter in this thing too. Oh yeah. Now, I run out of bacon. I would have bacon wrapped that thing. Put that butter right there on the top. Let it melt down. Well, I'm gonna cook that thing probably another hour and check the inside temperature of 180, and then I'll pull it off if it's ready. Y'all stick around for the best to come. Hello everybody, I got the turkey off the pit, turkey breast. I'm going to cut into it, see if it's done. My gauge to the pit seemed not to be working right, so hopefully it's done. It should be. Oh Lord. Looks fantastic to me.
Wow. Getting juicy.
Give Randy a little bite. Give me a little bite.
Oh my gosh. That is so tender. So juicy.
I've never cooked turkey on a pit before, but turkey breast, it's just the breast. Can't wait to get the mashed potatoes and gravy going on it.
Oh, I wish you could eat this.
I bet you can eat that, baby doll. Our little baby doll. She can eat the mashed potatoes and gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi, Adam. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Well,
There she goes.
that's a turkey breast cook from Charlie and Randy's garden and more. And this is the mower right here, the little mower. Come here. Come here, Papa. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. Woo. Boo-boo. Anyway, y'all ring that bell. Tell them to subscribe, please.
And share.
Ring the bell. And share the video with everybody. And we'll make you another one, won't we? Huh? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, y'all. Love you.
Bye.